Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook oats in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of liquid, like water or milk. Combine these in a microwave-safe bowl that is at least twice the volume of your mixture. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is well mixed before you begin cooking. This simple step sets you up for perfectly cooked oats. Now, let's talk about cooking time. Place your bowl in the microwave and cook on high for about 1 to 2 minutes. The exact time depends on your microwave's power and how thick you like your oats. For a creamier texture, you might cook for a shorter duration. Remember to pause and stir halfway through to ensure even cooking and prevent any hot spots. To avoid a messy overflow, always use a bowl that is at least double the size of your oat and liquid mixture. A little trick is to add a small pat of butter or a few drops of cooking oil. This helps reduce bubbling. If you prefer creamier oats, simply add a little more liquid. For a thicker consistency, use slightly less. Once your oats are cooked, let them stand for about 1 minute. This allows them to thicken up nicely. Now comes the fun part: customization. Stir in your favorite additions such as fresh berries, sliced bananas, a handful of chopped nuts, or a sweet drizzle of maple syrup or honey. A dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract can also elevate the flavor beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.